transformation of my garden, mga katimtim, mga kalablab, panoorin nyo ako. So, this is what I am doing. Trying to clean up my garden for the transformation for the summertime. So, kinakailangan alisin ito para it will bring another new plant. This grass, this comes back every time. It is a lot of work, but I really don't mind it. It is my hobby, gardening, so I love it. And in the summertime, this will become my little paradise. So nood lang kayo mga guys, mga kalablab. So today I need to do it kasi the sun is shining again. At ayun na nga, paminsan-minsan lang dito sa Netherlands magpakita ang araw. Kaya when it is out, we all need to go out also of the house. So, and ito ang aking basurahan. Nilalagay ulit dito para mawala yung ano. So, ano lang ako, at least mawala itong mga ito. Need to clean this first, at least this dry one, and then walis-walis din, walis-walisan. And ang aking fiber wala pang plant, so at least the water lily is not yet blooming, but it will bloom in the summertime. So ano lang, wait lang, kaunting wait lang, kaunti na lang kasi start pa lang ng start pa lang dito ng nice time sa Netherlands. So the first one is done. The next one medyo mahirap ito kasi ito masyadong malapit sa aking ang tawag nito sa division ng aming, sa divider ng aming divider na ano ng aming garden ng aking neighbor. So ito ang garden namin na part namin, tapos itong ano, yan ay sa kabila sa neighbor na yan, ito yung sa akin. So so it is really a hard work to produce a very beautiful garden in the summer, but as I have said, I don't mind it because I love doing it. It is my hobby. I love gardening. So now malapit na guys, malapit na. So maski mas maganda ang araw, pero medyo malamig pa rin. Oh. So hindi ko pala need to put the okay. Okay, I forgot to put on the waterfall. It's okay. The habol pa. So, ha? Yeah. Uy. Medyo mahirap ang ang location na ito. Ay. Ah. So, yeah. So, now, that was part. Ay. Mga darlings, medyo mahirap. But anyway, last part na lang. Last part na lang, pagod na ang Inday. Napagod agad ang Inday. Yo. Ay. So, it is not iyungan. If you can understand ang dengke, because it is not. Ay.
Okay.
Okay. Ay. This is the very difficult part. But I need to finish this. So, malapit na. So, the most difficult part. Okay. So, I need to have balance again before I fall in this water. Oh my goodness. Ay. We need to clean up a little bit. So, buhay pa yung plant na yan. Buhay ang plant na yan, mga darling. Buhay ang plant na yan. Kasi, ito, all season plant. So, during winter time, parang nawawala siya. So, in the summer time, ayan, magkakabuhay na ulit siya. Now that I remove the old leaves, eventually the green leaves will come. So, and then we can start enjoying the beauty in the garden when it becomes again green, and this one become again green. Then we can start the beauty of the garden once again. So at this moment it is really hard work. So yeah, and later on that water will be full with the water lily once again. At this moment it is really not so very attractive to look at, but it's okay. And I have to pick up something to clean up the water. Just a moment. Okay, now you need to clean the water because it is full with lots and lots of dirt. And it is so nice to look at. So we better clean a little bit. So that it will be of course the water, look at that, what is all in the water. It is all from the tree, I think. All the dirt. So lots and lots of dirt. It's a pity that before this fiber that We had a lot of fish here before, but it was all eaten by the big by driver, the big bird, the bird eating fish eating bird, which is always coming to our garden and eat all the fish here. So we did not put another new fish once again because it is all eaten all the time by that big bird. So we just let it so. No more fish. Only the water lily comes back every year during summertime. So at this very moment it is again starting when you can see it. So have a good look. It is again starting the water lily. I see some new leaves of that water lily. So I am hopeful na it will become again a very nice water lily plant later on in the summertime. So just as what I have said yesterday, this place for me in the summertime is a little paradise because since I hang out here most of the time during summertime, so I make it a point na magandang lugar, diba? So that's why I am always working here in this place to prepare it for the summertime, so everybody can come and enjoy. And by the way, guys, I have here yesterday. I forgot to show you this one. Look, this is a blueberry plant. Summertime it bear fruits also, just like this. So I am hoping that in the summertime I don't need to buy blueberry fruit because when it bear fruit, then I don't need to buy. Look, it's starting to have new leaves again. So look at that. So beginning a new life, and I'm hoping for this fruit fruit in the summertime. Look at that. It is very sweet fruit and antioxidant, a lot of vitamin C. So yes, now the first very dirty part is done. Yeah, this part also need to be removed. It needs to be removed so the water will become a little bit clearer. But I'm afraid I cannot finish it today because it is almost 5 o'clock and I still need to cook because that is Indai's life. Cooking, washing, cleaning, gardening. That is the life of Inday. Inday failing me. So guys, I hope you like it. You like my video for today. And so please don't forget to like and subscribe in my new YouTube channel, Failing Me TV. Okay, bye bye guys. Ciao ciao.